friends! It's me, Faith. Let's learn English. Are you ready? That's great! Let's get started. For today's lesson, we'll explore the joy of introducing ourselves. We'll learn how to share our names, favorite activities, and what makes us unique in a friendly way through a dialogue. There will be 2 participants in the dialogue. I'll speak for the left side participant and you'll speak for the right side participant. You'll fill in the missing information about yourself. Are you ready? Let's start. Hi, my name is Faith. What is your name? I'm 5 years old. How about you? I like to play with my toys and draw pictures. What about you? I love singing and dancing. What do you want to learn at school? I want to learn how to read and count numbers. How about you? That sounds exciting! Maybe we can learn together and teach each other new things. Definitely! Let's explore, learn, and have the best time together!